Hi, I'm Marco from Overland X, and in this video, we're gonna be installing and testing the Pedal Commander throttle control. I drive a 2021 Jeep Wrangler JL 392 with 470 horsepower, and it produces 470 foot-pounds of torque. I wanted to be able to control the throttle for fuel economy, to give it more power when I'm passing or when I'm pulling the trailer, let's say like going over a hill. The 6.4 liter Hemi engine produces enough power for the Jeep to run on 37s, to pass on the road, to go up hills, especially on 4 low, like doing off-roading, and pulling the trailer. My Patriot, it's a little over 2,000 pounds. When I'm not pulling the trailer, I get like 11, 12 miles per gallon when I'm driving it. If I'm pulling the trailer, it'll give me 10 miles per gallon probably. The funny thing is that when my wife drives it, she gets 18, 19 sometimes miles per gallon, which it's normal. We call it heavy foot. And I want to test the Pedal Commander because if I can control the throttle responsiveness, I might be able to save fuel. So I'm going to be doing the installation of the Pedal Commander in the 392 and share how it's done. It's I've been looking at the instruction. It's really easy. I've been hearing a lot of positive comments about the Pedal Commander. I asked my mechanic, Edgar.
What's up, Marco?
I got a question for you.
Let's hear it.
Okay, I got a 392. What do you think about the Pedal Commander?
On a 392. Personally, I would definitely go that route on a 392. You are gonna notice quite a bit of difference. It'll be a lot peppier, responsive, and I mean, that's what you want out of the 392 Wrangler.
So we're gonna do the first test without the Pedal Commander and just see if we can capture the responsiveness on the throttle without the controller. Let's see if we can catch that. If you notice, there was a little delay. Okay, let's do it again. Let's see if we can catch that. Yeah, it's still there. Little delay. Let's see. That could be a good comparison when I install the unit, and let's see how that goes. For the installation, Pedal Commander supplies a bracket to mount the controller, some alcohol wipes to clean the plastic where you're going to put the Velcro to attach the bracket, the card where you can get the app through barcode, and also the controller with the right connectors for you to install. It's quick and easy. It's plug and play. Once you download the app, you get access to the installation video. I really like this because it's all visual and self-explanatory. For the installation, we need to remove this cover that is under the steering column, and we need to reach to this connector right there. Plugging the cables is really the only installation process. After making sure that the connectors were correctly plugged and locked in place, I routed the wire under the carpet and Velcro the mounting bracket in place. In order to pair the unit with the app, you will need the serial number, which you can find in the back of the unit. So the installation has been made of the Pedal Commander. Remember, this is just a controller for your throttle response. It doesn't give you any more horsepower. It doesn't give you any more power. It's just how it controls that communication between the throttle and the computer. So there is a delay in every vehicle, and this throttle controller will eliminate that delay or minimize it. So it doesn't give you any more power, but it definitely gives you more control in the acceleration. So these are the different modes. Right now I have an Echo, and that's City. Changes the vehicle there. Sport. Sport Plus, and then you can increase to level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, They're different levels, and that's what we need to test and see how that works. All right, we are in eco mode. Let's see how that goes. Let's see the acceleration in eco mode. Yeah, in eco mode feels pretty smooth. It doesn't have that acceleration in regular mode without the controller. So that probably means that I'm gonna be able to save fuel. All right, I'm on the side of the road. What I'm gonna do is hold on, put this thing in Sport Plus mode. Give it a try. Let's see how. Oh yeah. You can tell that he wants to go. Let that vehicle go there, and we'll just give it a try. I can tell right now, like, the vehicle is super responsive, crazy responsive. So, okay, I'm doing 30 miles an hour. I'm just gonna go for it. Oh my goodness. Oh. Yeah, it feels so different. There's definitely a difference here. With the Sport Plus mode, you can tell that as soon as I hit the accelerator, there you go, 90 miles an hour, just like that. So far so good. I'm liking the way my vehicle feels, the way the accelerator feels. It's nice. As you can see, the installation of the pedal commander is super simple. I still need to test it. I want to drive my 392. I want to test, see if I can save fuel on eco mode, see how does it perform when I'm pulling the trailer, and I'm just gonna drive it around, test it, and in a few weeks I will do another video. But I think it's gonna help. I heard really good stuff about it, and so let's see how it goes. I'm just gonna test it and give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and thank you for watching.